Yo, what's good guys? Your boy Kuku FX right there. And in today's video, I have my guy here, Francis, and Francis wants to learn how to trade Forex. And with the knowledge I have had already, I want to teach Francis exactly the beginner's level to Forex trading. Teach him the things I know and what he should also learn, you understand? So he said he wants to learn, so that's why I'm teaching him free of charge. So if you have anyone who wants to learn and are willing to teach the person, teach the person, because he has actually funded his $10 account and I'm pretty sure that he's gonna be blowing it very soon, because that's what makes him a disciplined trader. But I just want to force him to get the knowledge, then he can do whatever he wants to do. And guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. And today we're gonna be discussing about market trends, so stay and watch and learn one or two things. And since we are dealing with probability, we have to work with confirmation. You understand? This particular market that you're seeing now, this particular market, this breakout structure, all this bullish, and people they move on our banks. We be speculator and banks, because in forex almost $7 trillion is moved every day, and we don't get that kind of money. They tell me if $1 million for a trade, you know free trade now. You go free trade, you know free trade, because the money big. So because we know free trade now why we dey follow the banks, the institutions, understand? So when market dey create this low now, we don't know whether this low now will continue lower or it will break structure to the upside. So now since you're working with confirmation, we wait make market close above this high with body. What did I say? With body. I will give you the example of chart. So when market close above this high with body, we say that market has broken structure, which shows uptrend. So our market is going breaking structure, we say that we are in an uptrend. But when market come and see don't stay here now, it come break this low, close below the body, we say that market has changed character. You understand? When you have a break of structure, like when you have a BOS, and you break of structure. So what is BOS? So when you hear about so as market don't change character here, we call and change of, or you call a market structure shift, or you call a trend change. You understand? So anyway you hear trend change, market structure shift, change of character, all of them are the same thing. You understand? So when we say change of character doesn't mean say market was bullish, now market don't change character to bearish. Market structure shift means say market being bullish, now you don't shift structure to bearish. When we say trend change, we were in an uptrend, now we're in a downtrend. You understand? All these acronyms are familiar. So when market come here now, break below here, we don't get waiting. So when we don't get change of character, market go pull back inside this place now, come down again. So if market come down here now, close below here with body, what do we have? Break of structure. Sure. So we don't get break of structure. And market come again now, go up again now, come now, close with body. What you go do? What you don't get? And market come down again now, they come down now, come close with week. You don't have a week before. Okay, let's we'll talk about candle. What we don't talk about, maybe tomorrow or next time we'll talk about candlesticks. Candlestick and atomic stuff like that. So now we don't get okay. Now I will make you use your hand now. Explain this stuff. So explain this stuff for me from me. Like after they ask me a question, I will ask you a question, you will answer. Okay. You don't understand what I explain here? I understand. And teach you what I teach you.
The thing is, if at this bullish dinner, if the like this won't go up, then break here, still go up, break here, still go up, break here, still go up. It's called uptrend.
Uptrend.
Then
but what if market is going up and did not close above the high with body? What should I do? Should I wait for the market to close with body, or is that a break of structure already? When it does not close the body, now
when it closes the body, it's break of
structure, and when it does not close the body, it's not break of structure. So you always wait for candle to close above the recent high with body. You know that we have gotten a break of structure. You understand? So my next question now is, we were in an uptrend and then this thing was going up and now it started going down. Can you explain what happened?
Because it has entered into a change of character.
Change of character at which point? Well, at which point? Like at which point of this diagram do we have change of character? And why do you call it a change of character?
Because because it already broke down.
Broke down where?
So this
Focus effect. Don't worry.
And that's why you learn, because one day when you see another person and the person will ask you like this, so that's why you should answer.
And when you take down like this, does entered to change of character.
You have enter up, like when you say change of character, what does it mean? Like, is he from being a stubborn person to a good person? What does it mean when it comes to this market? When we say the market has changed character, what are we trying to say?
Changed to good or bad. Let me say good.
We are talking in terms of forex. When we say the market has changed character, what do we mean?
Market has changed character.
What do we mean?
Should I say something? Should I
I
say something? Man, don't stop. What do you mean? We say market don't break the previous low. Like as markets go uptrend, like as in break that structure, that low will cause that break of structure. Now as market don't break that low now, so market don't change character from there. Now that low in the try 1 year from
me. Don't break this low, this one, and here we draw this line now.
I'm not. You're getting it based on the structural aspect. I'm trying to ask you like in a logical term. Like when we say that in forex, when we say that market have changed character, what do we mean? Forget about the low or stuff. I explained something about, like me say, for forex now. Let's take it out from forex in the real life. When we say that, okay, let me assume that I'm a stubborn person, and I started being a good person. I said that this guy character don't change. He was a stubborn boy, now he's a good boy. You understand? So what does that tell you when we talk about when we say that market have changed character in terms of forex? We are trying to say that market was bullish, now it's now bearish. Simple. So we say the market have changed character. I'm trying to say that market. I want me you understand what is that change of character.
But I will try to explain on that low.
Structural. Explain and structural.
Okay.
But I won't make you talk and logical, because now that logical now you go make us feel explain
the structure. Okay.
No, so now I was get assimilation this bullish.
Even waiting at the talk, himself not.
Me and they talk based on structural aspects, but I won't make it.
Never reach that level.
I won't make it talk based on logical, so that let me say, first answer now. You learn for us. Okay, waiting me change of character.
Okay.
You go pick your life and say, okay, let's take it as a layman, because as if you're a layman, you don't know anything about forex except as they tell you. You understand? So as a layman, let's assume that you're a good person, and now you turn to a bad person. That means your character has changed. But when you relate it to forex, you say that market was bullish and now it's now bearish, or market was bearish, it's now bullish, or market was trending now it's now consolidating.
Yeah.
Market is changing character. That's what we mean. Understand? But we don't understand change of character. And that's same thing. But when we say market structure shifts, now see the same word we talk.
That's a change of character.
Change of character. If you hear MSS, because as they go into this thing now, maybe they do own research, you hear MSS, TC, many fancy names, all those stuff now, change of character. You understand? Now, my question now is, from this structural representation I give you, market was bullish and now bearish. So what caused this bearish here? What caused it? Like, how did it come about? Because we were bullish now. Yes. We say that we are pressing high, low. And we want to switch to lower, high, low. Because it's not magic. So something transpired there. What exactly happened there? So that.
What happened there? Maybe it's a break of a structure.
You always see talking now, you say maybe. That maybe when you talk now, you don't blow account. You talk maybe. Maybe when you talk now, you don't blow your account. Also like maybe. For forex, you don't imagine. You work with structure. You understand?
So is that break of treasure the real answer or?
So see, I'm here. Give me the paper.
No rush.
We said that market was bullish. Eh?
Mm.
Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now this higher low now, this last low, the market should close below it with body. Market has changed character. You understand? Like this place now, look, this is the last low. Market come close below with body. Market has changed character from bullish from bullish to
Bearish.
from bullish to bearish. And now we don't change
Bearish.
10 and 10. From bullish to if you cut and make straight, so if you see. So from bullish to bearish. So guys, this is Koku's FX. I like it Academy. Yeah, it's Koku's FX Academy, and this is my video. You record him, video this man. So this is the first layman I'm trying to educate on what Forex is all about, and this is how we do it. Very raw. So if you're watching this video right now and you get inspired, so if you have someone that is willing to teach you Forex, so try more than possible to learn, even though the person is not perfect, but with the small knowledge you want to learn from there, you can improve. So subscribe to the channel because I document my journey as a developing forex trader with my guys here. So it's gonna be a very good one because when you're learning, carry your guys who wants to be carried along, carry them along. So that's how it is. Don't look down on anybody. If anybody wants to teach you, be free to learn, and that's it. See your boy Koku's FA. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also leave a comment in the comment section if you want a one-on-one mentorship. Peace out.